got ourselves an El Camino, and there's a Corvair, and we got a Trans Am. What the noise is coming from that little goat from the neighbor's farm, but a little Corvair 4-door Trans Am. Over here to this Thunderbird. Oh,
I think we have 3 of these.
about fell on that. Brad's over there by the Coronet. We'll go check that out. We'll walk around this way. Little Thunderbird. Good old berry bushes. Oh. Pretty clean. We'll check that out.
Yup.
There's another Winged Warrior, guys. Old 50s. I'm going to say this one here is a 59 or a 60. It's one of the two. It's got the steering wheel and dashboards in it, so that's good. But yeah, that's crazy. Some people like to pick blackberries, but I don't know if those blackberries are very nice. And they're not in season, but the Impala could be in season if we could just get it back into somebody's hands that would love it. I mean, these berries are loving it, that's for sure, but look at that thing, people. It's saying, help me. Man down. Well, you can't even tell it's there. And then you've got this little gem right here. And a T-bird. Seems to be every time I go to these places I find a T-bird. But this is a decent little Mustang right here, everybody. That's a definite one. And you got a parts convertible here. I think these are both 65s. So I don't know much about the Mustangs, but I'm learning. Just in case anybody likes Mustangs, which nothing wrong with them. Ponies are cool.